is this strange sound? Is this real or fake? Did this really come from the moon? According to a new Science Channel series NASA's Unexplained Files, the sounds were so weird that the team debated whether or not to mention it to their superiors at NASA, out of fear that it could cast doubt on their suitability for future spaceflight. Out of radio contact with Earth and all alone on the far side of the moon, the astronauts were clearly not expecting to hear anything on their instruments. You hear that? That whistling sound? Woo-oo-oo-oo-oo, says Sman on the recording. That sure is weird music. Is it real or what?
I didn't mean to do the sound counter, Spacey, didn't it? Do you hear that? That whistling sound?